Okay, here's a good question. Triangle ABC. Okay, let's draw a triangle. Triangle. Let's call this one A, B, and C. Angle A is 3 times as large as C. So this A is 3 times as large as C. The measure of B is 25 less than that of C. So B is whatever C is less 25. And then they say find the measure of all the angles. Okay, so I know that all angles of a triangle must add up to 180. And then A is actually 3C. So 3C plus B is whatever C is minus 25 plus C equals 180. So there I have an equation with only one variable in it, and I can solve for that. So 3C plus 1C is 4 plus another, so it's 5C minus 25 equals 180. Add 25 to each side, so 5C is equal to 205. And then divide both sides by 5. So C would be equal to 41, I think. Okay, so C is 41. So it could be that one or that one. But now I can figure out what the other angles are, because I know that A over here is 3 times C. Well, if C is 41, 3 times 41 I think is 123 degrees for A. And then for B is C minus 25. So if C is 41 minus 25, I think that comes out to 16 degrees. So A, 123, B, 16, C, 41. 123, 16, 41. Has to be that one. Hopefully that helps you out with that question.